Did you know the Mya 4 vessels have been designed to give a tight seal? The design is based on our jacketed reactors. You've got a vessel with a flat flange, a lid with a flat flange, and then an O-ring that gets compressed in between the two thanks to the connecting set. A tight seal is important to ensure containment of your chemicals during your reactions. A good way to show you the tightness of the seal of the Mya 4 vessels is to apply vacuum. Let's put this Mya 4 vessel assembly to the test. The Mya 4 vessels are designed to go down to about 10 millibar of vacuum. And there you have about 5 millibar. This is useful if you want to apply vacuum to your reaction, but more commonly, if you reflux solvent for long hours, this will prevent solvent loss between the vessel and the lid. And if you are working with toxic chemicals, you want to ensure these are contained. Make sure to choose the material of the O-ring based on the required chemical compatibility. As standard, these come as nitrile, but we also have an FFKM option, also called CalRes or ChemRas.